Do my dailies with me in Moorland for 58 seconds. The only ones I'm doing are for the bobcats in this video. I didn't realize my camera was angled weird until later in the video. You can tell it's angled here. I realized I think mid-run in here. Also, I did really bad for some reason. By the way, I appreciate all of the likes and comments. If you like these type of videos, please feel free to subscribe. I also thought I should let you know I post 2 to 3 videos a day. Thanks for watching.